In this video, I will take you through one of the cool template which I designed specifically for small business in tracking, maintaining and analyzing their stock, invoice and bill copies using regular Microsoft tool, Excel. If you want this template for free, stay tuned till end of this video. Hello friends, this is Sam and welcome to our data world, Sam's Grid View. Kindly consider subscribing this channel for regular upcoming videos. This template is designed with a goal to satisfy small-scale business vendors who actually struggle to maintain their product and client information. This template will be an end-to-end solution for them, which tracks their stock, inflow and outflow, providing billing option, maintain their client details, and finally provide some analytical charts, which give some insight on their business performance. So how does it work? So first let's build a customer. Type the list of products to be billed, which auto-populates based on what we type. Adjust the quantity. Next, check for stock availability. If there's less stock and it's not updated, you can directly update it from bill screen using star button. Once the input box pops up, update the available stock in hand to have stock database updated. Next, update the amount received, update cash or card, update customer details. Hit print or save button. This will create a bill copy in your local drive and capture this information to database. This is how your bill will be looking like. We can customize it at any point of time. So next we are going to talk about clearing a bill screen. If you have any unbilled items in your bill screen, use this X button and your screen will be cleaned accordingly. Next, let's update a new stock. So updating a stock covers two areas. One is adding a new product and the other one is updating old stock. So as usual, clear the form, type the product name and make sure it's not repeated. Add additional informations like stock, MRP, sales price and purchase price. Again, hit add or edit button. Once it's done, new product will be added to your stock database. Next, let's edit an existing product. Use the same field and start typing product name. This will auto-populates as usual. Update the required field with new information. Now let me change the stock value with new data. Again, hit the same button to make stock database updated. Simple, no? Yep. Next, hit the home button. Next, I will take you through the bulk invoice view. Hit on the right corner button. You can have your invoice list within specific date range. At any time within 10 days will have an efficient data load or data output for you. Once you're happy with your output, you can export this to your local drive as PDF. This is how your bulk invoice look like. Next, again let's hit the home button. Now I'll take you through the dashboard view. In this area you can analyze how your business performance on various criteria like profit or loss, purchase cost versus sell cost, within variables like frequency, customer, products, etc. This dashboard is created as a light version considering the overall performance of the template. Let's hit the home button again. Now I'll take you through the database navigation, which carries stock and invoice database. Hit this left corner button for stock details. This will give you overall stock information, includes sold products, available products, expiry date, barcode, etc. Again, hit home button. Hit this left corner second button for invoice details. This will give you overall invoice information, includes list of invoice created, date created, customer balance, payment and much more. Let's hit home button. Other button includes refresh, which will refresh the entire workbook and dashboard for you, customer profile update and dummy bill generation, which I'm not gonna cover in this video, which is very minimal in its concept. This is how the template is gonna work and hope it will be very useful for your small group of business. Now, how to get this for free? It's again simple, right? So just drop a comment or give a reply to the email address mentioned in the description. Again, your support is much needed. Hit the like button and subscribe button if you like this template and share this with your friends. Stay tuned for more fun learning videos in Excel and other reporting tools. Stay safe and thank you.